To clean the needles and the cup drain on a Keurig coffee maker, fill the water reservoir, put a large cup on the drip tray, insert a K-cup cleaning pod into the pod holder. Lower the handle and brew 8 ounces. Pour out the cup and remove the cleaning pod. Lower the handle, replace the cup, and brew 8 ounces of just water to rinse. Formulas vary by manufacturer, but many use natural citric acid and sodium bicarbonate to remove oils and debris that can cause a buildup over time. Keurig recommends using cleaning pods once a week to keep the parts working properly, or after brewing flavored drinks to reduce flavor transfer.